As part of Vroom Funderingstechnieken, Vroom Betonbouw calculates, produces and installs concrete foundation beams. Building with foundation beams improves efficiency, speed of construction and achieves consistent levels of quality in the end product. The precast concrete elements have Como Kiwa product certificates. Using the chief engineer's design, Vroom Betonbouw can create drawings for the foundations. Then we calculate the reinforcement that we include in the concrete elements. Precast foundation beams are used in residential construction, non-residential construction and in apartment buildings. They are highly suitable for use above water, such as housing that overhangs water, and temporary accommodations, such as schools and reception centers. Precise measurements are needed so that the concrete elements can be positioned accurately. A wooden position marker with a nail is erected to indicate the reference point. We drill a hole in the piles into which we bond a reinforcement using non-shrink mortar. Temporary cardboard formwork is attached to the piles. The laborer marks the foundation depth of the foundation beam using a laser. Then he fills the formwork up to the mark with seal mortar, which levels off to form a flat surface. 2 laborers and a mobile crane install the precast foundation beams. In the case of terrace houses, the precast foundation beams are usually combined with installation of precast lay-down areas. Where necessary, this is done in combination with cast in situ concrete, for instance in situations where high tensile loads may be exerted, such as in high-rise construction. Once the elements are in place and have been adjusted, we fill in the gap that holds the reinforcement from the foundation pile with seal mortar. The element is now joined to the pile. Precast foundation beams can be produced in a wide range of widths and heights and to all required lengths. They can also be fitted with embeds and strengthening features such as gaps to accommodate the reinforcement from the foundation beams, lifting points for the installation of the concrete elements, cable ducts for services such as wastewater drain pipes, water pipes and ventilation, reinforcement and demu anchors on top to connect to walls, recesses to install sunken masonry below ground level. The use of foundation beams usually results in a saving, both in terms of the time spent working and in materials used, because no formwork needs adjusting on site. If driven piles are used, they can usually be shorter than would otherwise be the case. The standard achieved by the foundation beams is very consistent. The combination of foundation beams, foundation blocks, laydown areas, cellars, porches, walls and the various types of Vroom Funderingstechnieken pile systems forms a wide-ranging total package. And by using our dimensioning service, you can be sure that we will take care of all aspects of dimensioning for both the piles and precast concrete products for you.